Nggak usah kesini dulu, tunggu sepi aja.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
Media sosial.
Temen sama dari sosmed juga, ya itulah kata. Sosmed.
1 tambah 1 berapa?
Salah.
Salah.
Terus
3 lah.
kok bisa?
Aku, kamu, anak kita.
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like you.
Lumayan jauh sih dari rumah ke sini. Kira-kira ada berapa ya? 8 kilometeran lah. Lumayan jauh. Dari tempat saya lumayan jauh.
Lumayan. Ini sepertinya kalau sepi bagus, karena terlalu rame jadinya bubar gitu. Aduh, tapi bagus sih, bagus kalau sepi. Karena terlalu ramai jadinya kayak gimana gitu.
Lumayan. Orang harus ke sini kalau nggak punya kamar mandi di rumah. Kalau nggak punya kamar mandi ke sini aja, aman tuh, ada banyak di sana.
Apa bedanya kamu sama Meganthropus?
Meganthropus. Kalau Meganthropus tuh nggak tahu. Kalau aku nggak tahu.
Kalau Meganthropus diciptakan di masa lalu, kalau kamu diciptakan untuk masa depanku.
Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready.
Nggak usah kesini dulu, tunggu sepi aja.
Jangan nyesel aja udah gitu. Aman. Ya, yang mau kesini jangan sampai Jangan sampai nyesel aja. Soalnya jalannya lumayan jauh kan, apalagi bensinnya kan. Apanya dibalik.
Apa bedanya kamu sama Saturnus?
Kalau Saturnus tuh ya planet, jelas-jelas aku tuh manusia ya.
Salah.
Terus apa?
Kalau Saturnus cincinnya dari asteroid, kalau kamu cincinnya nanti dari aku.
Sampai kapan kan kau buktikan tresno tulus yang mung kanggo awakku.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'cause it's been hard